Hey, so my name's Hans. I'm with Odyssey Contracting. We're performing a repair test for Miss Julie Dowless in Lumberton on Manchester Road. So you can see here, this turtle vent has been beat up by hail pretty bad. This, as well as the rain cap, had open coverage to be replaced from State Farm. So we're going to be performing a repairability test today to see if these shingles are repairable. Now you can see, due to the lack of granules on this roof, it's very unlikely that this roof will be repairable due to its age, but that's what this test is going to show. So first, let's mark our workspace. So this will be the shingle I'm going to be performing the repair on. In peach color. So the ones we have to get up around it will be this one. First thing we're going to do is lift up the existing shingles using this roof snake. It's recommended by State Farm. So you can see right here, already a torn shingle. Yes, so the shingle is just completely falling apart. There's absolutely no way I can continue this repair test. It's much too old. It's definitely not repairable. I'm not even able to get up that first shingle without it just tearing to pieces, meaning it'll cause a domino effect of more and more damage as I move to try to repair the 10 or 12 shingles needed for this box vent. It's just going to create a domino effect of destroying the entire roof. So it's non-repairable. I can test it one more time just to show what happens to another case. Let's see if I can get up this shingle. Okay, it's coming up. And right here already you can see the roof snake has pierced the shingle. Non-repairable. I can't get it up without it just completely destroying the roof. Right over here. Yep, again. Let me try in a thicker spot. No, it's just, see, it's turned here and here. This roof is definitely non-repairable. There's no question about it. Therefore, it requires a full roof replacement.